Okay, you guys, we're doing a full face of makeup and hair, starting the whole thing off with skin. I am using Medicube Deep Vita C Ampoule. I love this brand, Medicube. They are my new favorite, getting that vitamin C all over my face. Straight into Glow Recipe, Watermelon Moisturizer, Pink Juice Moisturizer. Love this stuff. Of course, I'm going to use Origins avocado drink up lip butter, always do that, and some under eye cream from Origins, that's ginzing. So today I am using the new Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation, and I love this, you guys. I've been using it every single day, and I put it on with my fingers. It's got SPF 25 in it, which I personally really appreciate. I'm also going to use the Kosas concealer. This is in 5.5 just because we are doing a Kosas makeup look for you, and I just absolutely love it. So this brush that I'm using is from the Angie Hot and Flashy and the BK Beauty collab. Love it for my concealer. And then of course Laura Mercier, you guys, of course you've seen this so many times, translucent setting powder. I like to go in and get the creases out and then immediately go in and set it. If I don't do this, you guys, even as with skin over 50, it will crease on me, so that's just me. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and today I'm using the Wander Beauty, what are these called? Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. I love Wander Beauty. All their products are just so delicious. Okay, after that, I will be moving on to Benefit Hoola Bronzer. This is the old school bronzer from back in the day, and I found it in my makeup drawer, and I was like, I am bringing this back. It is amazing, and for a good reason. It's just like this perfect bronzy color. I also get to layer it, and I'm using the Sephora brush here. I'm gonna go in and use the same bronzer to contour my nose. This reminds me of when I did my first Sephora video at the Sephora studios, and they wanted me to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer to contour, and I was like, it's not gonna work, and then it worked perfectly, so love that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this super cheap, like Wet n Wild highlighter pen. Oh my God, I've had this for years. It's called the Idle Ease cream shadow pencil, just to highlight my nose. I love that. And then a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with Kosas again, because Kosas, we are just like really focusing on you, and this is their bronzer. I love it, it's very beautiful. Then, hello, we're gonna do Haus Labs, and this is a Tutti Gel powder all over rouge in Bellini. It's this gorgeous peach color, which is my favorite personally for my blush. Okay, Orgasm. This has got to be the Orgasm. What is the name of the palette? I think it is the Orgasm Nars. Yeah, just the quad eyeshadow palette. It is so stunning. I'm going to use my fingers to put the product on, and I do this a lot. So I am not really into like the perfect blend. I kind of like more of a little bit of a messy look. I really don't have the time to get like all into it and get perfect and the perfection. So I just use my fingers. I use the light colors in the inner corner, kind of like a bronze color all over the lid, and then the dark color on the outer corner. And then I just blend and blend. And if I don't love it, I just blend it a little bit more. Make sure your blending brush is always clean. That is the key. So have a few available to you. Now I'm using this Eye Method stamp. I really like this as a liquid liner. I just do the babyest little line. Look, I pull the skin, baby line, let the skin fall back, and like it's a perfect little baby wing, and I love that. I'm going to set the whole thing. I'm going to set twice, but this is by Lawless. This is their setting spray, and then my little fan from Daiso. But yeah, I like to set twice with different products. It's just my personal preference. Okay, so I am using Go Big or Go Home by KVD Beauty. I love this. I think this mascara is almost gone. It's almost dried out, but I so love it. I also got some mascara on my eyelid, but I'm just gonna leave it and we'll get it off later and show you how I do that. So I'm using the Laura Mercier highlighter today because it's one of my favorites, and this is in Addiction. I'm also going to go over my nose with it, also just to kind of lock it in. Okay, I'm using a little, what is this? This is what I use for my beauty mark. I believe it is from Revlon Color Stay Brow Tint. And the lipstick I am using today is that Sephora collection. It is. I think it's in vanilla. And I brought that out of the vault. Oh, Grande Lips. Oh, this is so good. I don't think they make this anymore. And it's so sad because the color is perfect. Grande Lips lip plumping lipstick, liquid lipstick. And then, of course, Myth Lip Liner by Haus Labs. Lady Gaga, you killed it on this liner. I love it so much. It's my new favorite. The color is just perfecto if you're a nude lover. So you'll see that I will be blending that out. And I'm just gonna keep on blending, blending, blending. Okay, so you know that mascara that was left on my eyelid? I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get rid of it. So you see it there? It's dried up now, and I just used the end of a spoolie and it's gone, so no worries there. Okay, Watermelon Glow Mist. I'm gonna set twice. Remember, I told you I was gonna set twice just because I'm that girl. I like it twice. And it also really lets the powder settle into your face, because people ask me, why do I do it? Because it just lets it settle in. It's not so cakey and dry looking. Hair. Oh, this Philip B. Oh my God, you guys, Philip B. These products are so good. That's like a detangling mist. I have been obsessed. Also, his hairspray is so good. It's called, what is it called? Okay, I will link it below, but Philip B is one of my new brands. Okay, blowing out my hair, blowing, blowing, blowing. And I'm using this big round brush that I have on Amazon. But you guys, recently I just got a new round brush that I prefer even more, which is the Volume round brush. But this one works fine. It's on my Amazon store too, if you would prefer to get this one. I think it's about $29. Okay, so hair is coming out, and now I am going to put the Me Cosmetics scalp powder on my hair so it looks like my scalp is not showing. I love this so much. This brand reached out to me. We were working together. I actually have a discount code for you. I believe I'll link everything. Well, I'll put it on the screen right here, but I believe you're going to get 25% off. I love that this product comes in auburn, white, blonde, amazing. Okay, hair powder. This is just going to give me more volume. This is by Amika, and I spray it up, and it just like gets the hair a little texture, so it's not like baby smooth. And then you can go in, you can like back comb it a little bit, tease it just to give it a little bit more volume. And that's it, styling it. Philip B again for the hairspray, you guys. This brand I love. Shake it up, shake it up. And that, you guys, is really the end of the makeup look. I hope you really, really love it. Of course, I'm going to show you in different lights in front of my window. There I am. And of course, I have to end it all off in my closet to show you the real look of the makeup close up. I hope you guys really love this. If you want to see more, put a comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.